So guys, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click right here on the speaker icon. Now once we're here, you want to click on select a sound output. Now it's going to be saying output device. You want to select your correct output device. I've only got one here, but you may have like more in the list, so choose your correct output device. After you select your output device, make sure you have this turned up. Then it should be working for you. If you cannot see your output device here, or you want to make your output device as default, then you want to go to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. Once this comes up, you want to go to the playback tab. You want to right click on the white space. Make sure that you have show disabled devices ticked and show disconnected devices also ticked. It's now going to be showing all your output devices. If you want to make it a default device, you want to right click on it and then click on set as default device. Then the green tick will appear here and it's going to be saying default device. That's how you do it.